got Mickey. Oh, I got you anyway. I got you anyway. Excuse me, ma'am. All this good food and you're getting a salad.
I'm gonna get pizza in a minute.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. Oh my God.
Yeah, because we're so tired.
Oh, I am. So there you go.
Miss Renee Leverton, I love CiCis and pizza.
Hi, Manuel.
You're gonna be on TV.
Hi, Manuel. Hi, Manuel.
He's a little shy.
Eating our pizzas.
Hey, please don't spit in it because I put you on film.
We're gonna just tell them to come to church. Now you just scared them off.
I got one of my funeral home cards. That'll help.
Oh my God.
One of a live feeding.
Y'all enjoying the pizza?
Don't say funeral home cards before you come over here with a camera.
Ready?
You can't do it.
Okay, is that enough?
that, guys.
All right.
I got way more than that. Right there.
Parents of Enrique Mendoza Jr.
¿Qué pasó?
I need a disclosure on camera that I'm going to pour as much of this as I want on their pizza, and they said that they will eat it. I need to know on camera that y'all are not going to hold me responsible if it like just burns his throat.
Yes, he's responsible. Yeah. So for it, he's old enough to know how he can handle it.
Okay, all right. I got that on camera.
Don't eat it.
Don't think about fire. Or Elvis songs.
What?
Or Johnny Cash.
Come on, Junior, don't get me.
Junior, I'll tell you what. Everybody's a witness here. Junior, if you lick that plate clean, I will get one slice and y'all put as much as you want on it and I will eat it.
That ain't worth it.
Alright,
That ain't worth it.
yes it is. Pour the whole thing on it.
He's gonna take it whole. Wait, hang on. Oh, too late now.
Hey, you didn't do that.
Oh,
dude.
he did it before I got to the disclosure. Look at this, AB has cleaned his plate, man. He is a monster. So is Michael, he is a monster. AB, let me see. AB, let me see. Dude, you are turning red, bro.
You're turning your picture.
Right, what happened?
What?
You're slowing down, man. Yeah. You gotta slow down, man.
Oh, there we go.
You gotta lick that plate, bud. You gotta lick that plate. Lick that plate clean.
Dude, you're going to die. Where'd he go? Tomorrow, when it's all coming out, and he'll be fine. Not gonna be pleasant.
I'm going. Hang on, I'm going. Hang on, I'll be fair. Well, that's good now.
That's good right there.
I'm just teasing. Don't do it.
I got this.
Don't do it. I can catch it on.
Right.
Oh my God.
Hey, you come live already.
He's gonna have to lick the plate.
What?
Are you gonna make the face?
I will lick the plate. Do I need to cross? I'm not a full country to topping. Hey, can you just fill the car with gas? I challenge you, man, right now. Hey,
Oh, look at him.
Hey, they're fun tomorrow.
So that's it. Tomorrow, there will be no fun. That will not be fun tomorrow. You, especially, buddy, will not be fun tomorrow. That's all I got to say.
Oh, look at him.
You didn't have a ride. I know you can make things a competition now.
Oh. He won't be there at youth camp, I don't think. Oh. He's got to. For multimedia.
You want a cinnamon roll? Seriously, Chris?
It's not hot.
I'm not going to be pleasant tomorrow.
So are you like extremely mad at us because we're making you work late? They are paying you overtime, is that right? No. Really? Well, you know what? I got that on camera, so we are going to the labor law. That is what